Do you want to make wealth and success inevitable? Then you need to make it non-negotiable. You cannot fail if you refuse to quit. Now, the reason that you're going to quit is because you experience setbacks and failures and disappointment along the way. And I'm sorry to break it to you, but on the journey to success, particularly as an entrepreneur, this is absolutely inevitable. But there are ways that you can actually secure your wealth and success by getting your strategies, your systems, your formulas, your processes, your infrastructure, and setting yourself up for success right from the get-go. If you really don't know what you're doing, then you will just flounder and fluster, and it will be all too overwhelming. You'll experience too much disappointment, and you will actually quit really, really quickly. So how do you set yourself up to make your success inevitable? Well, I'm going to share with you today some tips and strategies that are going to really help you to get on the right track and to get on the fast track to making wealth and success a part of your world. I'm Marguerita, conscious mindset coach, business strategist, and light worker from Pitbull, and founder and creator of the Wealth Consciousness Movement and the Conscious Wealth Revolution. And I am absolutely committed to inspire and empower as many people as possible to build wealth as conscious entrepreneurs and through a business that feeds their soul. Because together we can make the world a better place, and you deserve to be able to bring your dreams to life. So making your wealth and success inevitable is actually a science. There are no secrets to success. Success is a science. It's been proven over and over and over and over. And the same is true for a business and entrepreneurship. And there are a gazillion different ways that you could earn money through a business. We are so fortunate in today's day and age to have access to something as powerful as the internet. It means that when you build an online business, you potentially have access to everybody on the planet. Well, 6 billion people on the planet. Not everybody has access to the internet, but 6 billion people do have access to the internet. So you have a vast array of choices and people to be able to sell whatever it is that you are offering to the world. Now, the thing about entrepreneurship is that what is the number one thing that we do? We solve problems for a profit. That's it. That is the whole equation. We solve problems for a profit. People pay you for solutions to their problems. Now, if you are selling a product, then that product needs to be actually providing a solution to a certain group of people. So let's break this down. Number one, what problem are you solving? It's really important that you identify the problem that you solve. Then you need to identify who you are solving that problem for. Because if you are talking to people who do not need your solution, then you're never going to sell anything. So you have got to identify your perfect avatar. Now, it's actually getting attention is one of the most valuable commodities in business. If you have no attention, if nobody knows you exist, then again, you're never going to make a single sale. So how are you getting attention? How are you marketing to your audience? Marketing is one of the most valuable skills you will ever learn. And there's a ton of different ways that you can market to your audience. You've got to find the right channels and put the right system in place to nurture that know, like, and trust relationship and lead your potential customers or clients to the promised land, which will be the value exchange. They are providing dollars for the value that you provide, okay? So you put your systems and your strategies in place to get them to your website or your store or whatever it might be. And then it is building that relationship to get them to hand over their money. Then you need to deliver. You need a delivery mechanism to deliver the solution. And then you need some sort of customer support and customer service to make sure that your customers are super duper happy. Because you know what happy customers do? They tell other people about how amazing your product or your solution is. And when you get word of mouth advertising, that is the most powerful and the cheapest form of advertising you will ever be able to acquire. And that takes a little bit of time in the marketplace to be able to achieve that. So they're the actual primary keys to making your wealth and success inevitable. Now, the one thing that I have left out here is your mindset. This is your powerhouse. Your mind is either wired for success or it's wired to fail. And that depends on your fears, your doubts, your blocks, your limiting beliefs, the unconscious programming that you have had throughout your life. Do these beliefs support your success or sabotage your success? That is the key question. Now, if you would like help unraveling this and understanding more about the strategies that you need, the systems to put in place, the action steps to get the most efficient and effective and fast progress to be able to make your dreams a reality, then just register for my free workshop, Wildly Wealthy Workshop. It's on your screen right now. And I share a ton of information for free that you can take action on straight away. This is not like some just blab fest where I just talk your head off and then you walk away going, what the hell was that? Seriously, the value that you will get out of this free workshop, you will be able to transform your life and your world immediately. And I'm not selling anything, by the way. So register now for the Wildly Wealthy Workshop. I look forward to seeing you there. And if you have liked this video, then like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what your biggest takeaway is. And if you like this t-shirt about the conscious wealth revolution, then check out my Shopify store that's in the comment section below. And go and check out all the cool merch that I've got. Caps, hats, t-shirts, cups, and all sorts of really cool designs. I know you're going to find something that you love. It is a great way to support my channel and me bringing you more value and more free content to help you to achieve massive wealth and success, be the best version of you, and be unstoppable at bringing your dreams to life. I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon.